Good afternoon, guys. Today in this little video segment, part of a learning series I'm gonna put on about some boat canvas. That's what I do for a living, is I make boat canvas and enclosures and covers and just repair boat canvas, just any kind of boat canvas stuff. So we're gonna put you a little series on here and do you a little show you some of how we do some of this boat stuff. And today, right this minute, we're gonna video building a Bimini top frame that we're trying to copy an exact replica of. Somebody damaged theirs back in the boat in the garage. Happens quite often. People, so they tear up the frame, but the rest of the stuff's still good. So we try to copy the existing piece that's left. The bends in it have to be as close as possible to the old one, so the Bimini top will fit back just like it should. And so we got some parts here, and we're gonna copy one real quick and get this guy back on the lake. And we'll show you how we do this. Top is still good, the canvas part, but the frame's all bent, and I had one good bow out of 3. So we're gonna copy the good bow, the bends in it, and then we're gonna put the frame back together so it has a good Bimini top. So when you already have an existing Bimini top, you have to put the bends back exactly like they were to make it fit perfect. If you don't put the bends exactly like they were, the top's not gonna fit right. But this is the difference between professional Bimini work and somebody that don't know what they're doing Bimini work.
I'm a professional.
Professional what?
So we'll show you how we do this here. We'll get this guy's top bent back up perfect, and we'll get him back out on the lake. If you look here, you can see the garage door bend that was put in this frame here. Yeah, you're never gonna get that out. That's kinked stainless tubing, and it just ruins it. So you have to build a new frame. So we got our bends on both pieces level and exactly the same as the bends on the piece we're copying. Now we'll put a little arch in it. We'll arch it just like that one over there's got an arch in it, and that'll bring them in and they'll be perfect.
Oh, who is she?
Hello, Clarice.
All right, guys, we got a perfect match on those pieces. We'll take them up into the shop, into the sewing shop, and we'll do our final fit up and get the top back on it and get all the frame pieces back together. I offer some classes, so just reach out to us down there in the comments, and we'll get back with you on how that works. But I do some professional classes on teaching people how to do canvas work. So if you're interested in learning how to do it, you just get in touch with me through the comments there, or give us a call, and we'll set you up for a little class and teach you how to do this stuff. So, all right, we're gonna get into making this cover here.